Hello fellow users and time savers. We're back again with 5 new hotkeys for you. First one is Control N for opening a new window browser. As you can see, happens right here. You can add it right here, and it's great if you need to start a new search or look for something. Up next is to create a new folder in the directory you're currently at. It's Control Shift N. See, I can just make a new folder and it can start working. Great for organization. Up next is to actually return to the previous web page. Say I'm researching something, so I go cats in the area. And I was like, wait a minute, I don't want to look at cats. So I want to go here. Not the right page. So I just do Alt, arrow key, and brings me back. For our next hotkey, it's to show the system's property dialog box. It is Windows key plus the pause key. Great if you need to actually check out your computer information, system ID, or anything if you're setting up a new file or a new system or network in your workplace. Up next is a hotkey for when you're in an Explorer. So you click on whatever you want to look at, and then you do Alt Enter, and it brings up the properties for that file, folder, or whatever you're clicked on. Great if you need to check up when it was last modified, change its read and write, anything else. Great if you're actually being very specific in sharing your files. We hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.